Welcome to Salt Lake Community College. In this video tutorial, we will be providing an orientation to the new classroom technology available to you for live streaming and in-person classes or lecture capture recordings. I'm standing inside one of the 20 newly updated classrooms which allow you to stream your class live or simply record your lecture to store and share later with your students through Canvas. First things first, let's look at the available room features and equipment. All rooms are equipped with a pan and tilt zoom camera. The centrally located ceiling microphone captures both instructor and in-room student audio. It also allows for a discussion with students who are watching the live stream. Each room also has a wireless microphone pack that can be used for voice uplift and used in all three of our scenarios. The wall-mounted touchscreen panel inside the classroom controls multiple room components. We will look closer at these controls in just a few minutes. In the updated classrooms, you'll also see a device tower that holds the new equipment. Please be aware that it might be at the back of the room or even in an area of the room you cannot see. There are 3 different connector cables in the room. There are 2 different HDMI cables. One is the old HDMI system that connects your computer to the projector and runs into the wall. The new HDMI connector allows you to connect to the projector and gives you the ability to record your class through the new VIA system, which we will be discussing shortly. The third cable is a USB cable that allows you to record your classes with high-quality video capture. The keyboard and mouse connect directly to the VIA device, which we will talk about in just a moment. Before we look at which options will suit your needs the best, it is important for you to think about what you need as your end result. With that end in mind, we will go over 3 possible scenarios to help you decide which option will work best for you. Let's look at scenario number 1. You meet on campus with all your students. You share PowerPoint slides and the occasional YouTube video. You have no need to record your lectures. This is your basic class lecture. First, use the wall panel to turn on the projector and choose the WD option. You will then need to connect your laptop to the school's Wi-Fi system. Finally, you will connect your laptop to the VIA system in the classroom. If you are connecting your personal laptop to the VIA device for the first time, follow the directions on the bottom of the projector screen and download the VIA app. On your laptop, open the VIA app and type in the room name and room code, both of which will be found in the upper left-hand corner of the projector screen. Once you are connected to the VIA device, you will be able to share your computer screen using the VIA app. If you are having problems connecting to the Wi-Fi, you can connect your laptop to the HDMI cable that connects to the wall. You will still need to turn on the projector from the wall panel, then choose the HDMI option. When your class is over, turn off the projection system on the wall panel and get on to your next class. Let's look at our second scenario. You meet live with your students and record your lectures to post to your Canvas course. This is your traditional lecture capture. In our new rooms, there are 2 different options to record your lecture. One is to use the Kaltura Capture through Canvas, and the other uses the new Lumens device. Both options record your video with much higher quality than video conferencing software. There are a few differences between each of the experiences. Let's discuss the Kaltura Capture option first. Use the VIA keyboard and mouse to access the menu on the left-hand side of the projector screen and select the Canvas icon, and then log in with your credentials. Don't forget that you will need your phone or Duo token to log in. Still using the VIA device, log into your Canvas course. Go down to My Media and choose Add New, then scroll down to Kaltura Capture. The software is already installed on the device in the classroom. Under the gear icon, you can check the record settings. Under the eye icon, you can see who is logged in. If someone other than yourself is signed in, click Log Out on Kaltura and log out of Canvas, then log back in. Click on the button that says New Recording. You will then see the room camera feed as well as the Kaltura recording settings. You can adjust the camera settings by using the remote in the room or by using the PTZ application on the VIA device. We'll talk more about the PTZ application in a few moments. Once you're happy with the camera feed, use the VIA mouse to click record. Connect your laptop to the VIA device using the same process as before by using the VIA app on your personal laptop, then go ahead with your lecture as normal. Using Kaltura has several benefits. Because Kaltura is directly connected to your Canvas course, once you stop recording, the video will upload to My Media after it is done processing, and then your students will be able to view the stream. Kaltura Capture records 3 separate streams: the screen share, the room camera, and a combined stream. This allows students to have a great deal of control with playback because they can choose which stream to focus on. Once you have finished your recording, you can edit the title, description, and add any tags, then click Save and Upload. If you have any other questions about using Kaltura Capture, please contact eLearning at 801-957-5125 or email them at elearningsupport@slcc.edu. Please note, if you are having problems connecting to the Wi-Fi system, you can use the VIA HDMI cable and use that to connect to the VIA device and take advantage of the screen sharing and recording functionality that isn't available with the old HDMI cable. The other option that is available for you to record your lectures is the Lumens device. All you have to do is plug in your USB drive to the adapter. All USB ports will be marked in the room. It is important to have a high-speed USB drive for best quality recordings. We recommend a USB 3 that has at least 2 GB, which is enough for a 1-hour lecture. When setting up the recording, use the wall panel to select the lecture capture option, then select the layout that you would like for your recording. You have several layout options to choose from. Screen records just your screen share. PIP is picture-in-picture, and it shows both the camera feed and screen share. Camera is just the camera feed, and PBP is a side-by-side view of the camera feed and screen share. The wall panel is also where you have the volume controls and the record button. The Lumens is great if you don't need to share your computer. For example, you want to be able to record your lecture and use the whiteboard in the room. Once you are done recording your lecture, use the wall panel to stop recording and remove your USB drive. Please note, if you are in one of the rooms where the equipment tower is at the back of the room or in another room completely, you will need to contact the help desk and request the file. Be sure to have the date and time of the class as well as the room number. When using the Lumens device, you won't see a feed of your camera. To see what the camera feed looks like, use the PTZ app on the VIA device, then focus your camera. You can adjust the app on the VIA, or you can use the remote to access the camera presets. If you have an online-only class and want to record your lectures, we recommend you contact the e-learning department and use one of their dedicated video recording rooms. In scenario number 3, let's change things up a bit. You meet in the classroom with your students, but you also have students who are watching your class from home. You share files and videos, but it is also important that you record your lectures to share on Canvas. This is often known as broadcasting your class. This setup has a couple of extra steps, but don't let that discourage you. We recommend the following steps to be successful. Before class starts, schedule your broadcast class in Canvas and use either Zoom, WebEx, or Teams. For the purposes of this video, we are using Zoom. When your class is ready to begin, use the wall panel to turn on the projector and choose the WD option, then connect to the VIA device using the keyboard and mouse in the room. From the menu options on the left-hand side of the VIA screen, choose the Canvas link, open your scheduled class, and start your meeting. Still using the VIA device, share your screen from the Zoom meeting. We recommend maximizing the meeting window. Once your meeting is started, click Record in the cloud. This will then automatically upload your recording to Canvas after your class. Once you have opened Canvas and Zoom on the VIA, it is time to connect your computer to the VIA system. Connect using the same steps as described in scenario 1. Once you are connected to the VIA device, you will be able to share your computer screen, files, pictures, and videos with ease. With this system, you can also easily communicate with your students at home who are watching the live stream because you are connected to the in-room microphone. When your meeting is done, stop the recording and end your meeting. Stop sharing your computer, log out of whatever programs you have signed into on the VIA, and use the wall panel to turn off the system with the knowledge your recording will post to Canvas automatically as soon as it is done processing.
We hope this video gives you a nice orientation of the new classroom technology setup. We're very excited to have this new technology for our instructors and want to make sure that you feel comfortable and able to use the equipment for the best classroom experience possible. If you need any assistance getting your laptop configured, downloading the correct software, or troubleshooting any issues in the classroom, or learning more about Zoom, WebEx, or Teams, please visit support.slcc.edu and check out our knowledge base articles or contact the help desk at 801-957-5555 during normal business hours.